Today, we are taking a closer look at the challenges that can arise with high-shear mixing, and importantly, how you can avoid them. Even the most sophisticated mixer system can encounter issues, and recognizing these early is key to maintaining both product quality and product efficiency. One common challenge is overheating. When your rotor spins at high speed, friction generates heat. Excessive heat can lead to degradation of sensitive ingredients and compromise your product's integrity. Another frequent issue is vortex formation. In certain batch mixers, a deep vortex can form that draws air into the mixture. This unwanted air incorporation may cause oxidation, foam formation, and ultimately product inconsistency. Do ensure your liquid levels are sufficient. Don't run the mixer with too little liquid, and use equipment with a controlled vortex design or adjusting the mixer speed can help the surface calm and minimize air entrancement. Material builds up is yet another concern. Over time, ingredients may accumulate on the rotor and stator surface if cleaning protocols are not followed. This build-up can interfere with shear process and even lead to blockages or uneven mixing. Component wear is also an inevitable challenge. Continuous use can gradually wear down rotor blades, stator teeth, and other mixing elements, reducing all-over efficiency. You might notice subtle changes in product texture or longer processing times as indicators of wear. Maintaining product integrity when mixing delicate ingredients poses its own set of challenges. High-shear forces are excellent at breaking down particles, but they can sometimes overprocess sensitive components. This may alter the texture or even damage the nutritional quality of your product. It's advisable to validate your process conditions with small test batches before committing to full-scale production. Additional noise and vibration can become problematic if mixer components are not properly aligned or if there is imbalance in the system. Excessive noise is not only a safety hazard, but can also be a sign of internal wear or misalignment. In some cases, unexpected variations in product consistency might also point to issues with power supply fluctuation or erratic control settings. Modern high-shear mixers are equipped with electronic controls for speed and shear adjustment, so it's essential to calibrate these settings. To summarize, the primary challenges we discussed today include overheating, vortex formation, material buildup, component wear, overprocessing of delicate ingredients, and even issues related to noise and vibration. Each of these can be managed with careful monitoring, regular maintenance, and proper process control. It's all about staying proactive, inspecting your equipment routinely, follow cleaning protocols, and adjust process parameters as needed. Next, we will explore troubleshooting and maintenance basics to help you keep your mixer running at its very best. I hope you now have a clearer idea of how to recognize and address these common issues. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please do reach out. Until next time, keep your process smooth, efficient, and your product consistently high in quality.